Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure WSL and the clipboard helper are ready. Check your WSL distro and version with WSL LV so you know whether to use clip, exe, or a Linux helper. Once done, open the Windows terminal or your distro shell and locate the file or text you'll copy. Make sure you have permissions to read the source and that you're working in the correct directory. This prevents copying the wrong content and saves time when you paste. You copy content from WSL to Windows using simple commands so the clipboard transfers reliably. For typical setups, run cat file clip, exe. This pipes file content directly into the Windows clipboard. If your terminal supports selection, highlight text and press Ctrl+Shift+C to copy interactively. For Wayland/X11 environments, use WL copy or xclip, for example. Cat file WL copy. Make sure to choose the method matching your distro and display setup so the paste target receives plain text. You finish by pasting into the target app and verifying the result. In Windows applications, press Ctrl+V. In X11 clients, use middle-click or the client's paste command. If you need to inspect or repopulate the clipboard, use clip. Exe to set contents again, cat file clip, exe. If paste fails, check file permissions, confirm the clipboard helper clip. Exe WL copy xclip is installed, and ensure WSL integration is enabled in Windows Terminal. This commonly resolves invisible paste issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.